Okay, so today we're at a property that was completed approximately 2 months ago. A customer called and complained about staining of the plaster. An on site meeting was scheduled and an inspection was conducted, and it was determined the stains were a result of metals in the water that had stained the plaster surface. The best solution to fix this is to drain and do a light acid wash on the spa and refill it. The acid wash is done with a solution of acid, water, and Dawn dish soap. The dish soap causes the bubbles, but more importantly, it keeps the fumes down and helps the acid solution stick on the vertical surfaces. And it also makes it easier when you're scrubbing it to spread it around. The most noticeable stains were on the floor. There was some on the walls and benches, but around the main drain, it was a huge area of staining. As you can see from the video, it comes up relatively quickly and easy. This job took approximately 35 to 45 minutes, and it looks good as new.